Hi, I'm Desi Arnaz, professional investor, and today I'm going to be answering one of the most frequently asked questions, and that is, what is a mortgage note? You probably heard a lot of people out there today talking about investing in mortgage notes. Well, let me tell you exactly what a mortgage note is. First of all, a note is a promise to pay. It's like an IOU. And a mortgage note is a promise to pay with teeth. What I mean by that is that if a mortgage note and a note are combined, it basically says this. It's two different documents, but it says, look, I owe you money, I agree to pay you back, and this mortgage basically says that if I don't pay you back, you can take my house. So that's what a mortgage and a mortgage note combined can accomplish. And so I buy and invest in mortgage notes. I own mortgage notes all across the country, and I help other people to do the same thing. That way, we get to collect cash flow from real estate without actually owning any real estate and without being a landlord. I love that. If you want to know more, go to investbrilliantly.com, where we can talk to you more about investing in mortgage notes.